Okay, so I'm going to show you with the gray paper in this video, but you can do the same measurements with the white sheet of paper because we're first of all going to put the rule of thirds grid. And luckily, this paper measures 12 by 18, which is easily divisible by 3. You're lucky there. All right, so I am going on the short side and dividing 12 by 3, which is a mark at every 4 inches. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm putting a little mark there lightly with the vine charcoal only. And then I'm going to the long side, and if you divide 18 into 3, it's every 6 inches. So I'm putting a little tick mark there, and then I'm going to connect up my lines so that I have a rule of thirds tic-tac-toe appearing grid. Taking a sharpened piece of the vine charcoal to draw those lines on there, and again they should be equal, and see how light I'm going. And then I'm taking a chamois and wiping it, so see it's even more pale on there. You want it to erase up easily. It should be a barely there tic-tac-toe grid. Now when you are doing your initial layout, which means you're getting just the basic shapes, it's okay if you do it a little bit rough, like imperfect, and you can see I'm getting tick marks to indicate the height and width of things. And I'm working relatively quickly here, but I'm also careful that I'm measuring. Now I'm going to go back in eventually and clean up things to make it the correct shape. However, I still am doing angular transfer, like that's what I'm doing right there. And I'm measuring the height and the width, and I'm looking through my viewfinder to get that. The important thing is to go light, and then call me over when you think you have everything set in place. Again, it doesn't need to be polished yet.